Valtteri Bottas, well, mate, what the hell did you have for breakfast?
I had some porridge. Truly enjoyed it.
Totally understand.
Yep.
And
it stood
I
up.
shut it hard on you.
It stood up pretty well so far. So
Well, that's good.
oh, this is a great place to park.
No, at least he put his flashers on, so you know he's not necessarily parking.
Yep.
Just stay there for 5 minutes.
Space over there.
Seriously, like, wow.
He's going to have to try and find a way
Good
around
job.
the outside, and he does.
Way to be a dick.
Yep. Well, but I got my I can park anywhere I want lights on.
But it's a Tesla.
It's a Tesla model, whatever.
Right?
As Tesla owners love to just tell you without asking.
Hell yeah. And as Tesla employees like to say, I need a new job because this guy's a dick. But, you know.
What matters is that both she and her husband give aid and comfort to white supremacist groups. How does Clarence Thomas square that circle? I could begin to speculate, but I don't know that that's important to me. Those groups, I think, you hear the broadness of the language, that if you belong to an organization that officially has discriminatory policy, that violates the specific Canon 2C. As far as we know, Clarence Thomas does not, because that would be weird. But the larger principle,
I don't think it's funny.
that engages in discriminatory.
We could get through here if there weren't all these fucking cars parked here.
Of course it does, right? And you should be staying away from groups that are 1 degree of separation away from Stephen Miller. A judge should use better discretion. Canon 3, a judge should perform the
Notice the posters on the wall.
Oh no.
Now there's
If
even
you
more.
thought that we were done with the white sheets, we were not. The posters on the wall say things like missing sheet mystery, sheets, foul play suspected,
Wow.
plastered.
Oh, brilliant.
Good one.
Well, this is nice, isn't it? People park on this side all the time. I don't get why.
Running to the rescue scene, you have to watch them.
Yep, stupid.
So many corners.
But eventually they come to a dead, right? They end up in this dead end alley, but they can hear Judah crying through the wall.
So the guy who got through, like,
She very white.
That's the closest we ever get.
So the plot here is that the government wants to make their land a yellow zone.
Yes.
Okay.
right.
Yeah, so the government wants to seize their land and put everybody in cities, because in cities, you can't be an individualist country boy who can exist on your own. You have to be.
Man, if only there was a place to pull over and, you know, be out of the way of traffic so you could load or unload your passengers. If only.
And they make the terrorist brothers live in the city, which is where the government wants to.
That's better.
The great basilisk and it
Red. Unreal. Oh, hello. Wow. Good job. I fucking hate that. Great driving. Very good.
Nope.
Now, there's an urban legend flying around that all of your money has cocaine. That is just not true. It's not all of your money. I looked it up. It's only about 90% of all the paper currency.
Bike
in the United
lane.
States.
Nope, let's park in here.
That number up to 100%. That's just aspiration. And that money is so ubiquitous.
Here's how it works. You timely report a covered claim against you, and the insurer then must either appoint defense counsel
Nice parking.
pay for it, or if the policy permits it, allow you to select your own lawyer and then pay for that. And the insurer can, this is oftentimes in the policy,
And Lewis knows how hungry I am.
or the
Yep,
right
yep.
to direct the defense. So in other words, if you're
Yeah.
going to be the one paying,
Sitting
they're
there and
the ones who
eating.
get to call the shots. Right.
It will require them to have comfortability.
You're blocking the bike lane.
Bike lanes, how do they work?
Things that we read in the Bible and looking at the world through that lens of the Bible being the Word of God, and this is distorting how you are able
Yep.
to assess the
Let's ride a bike up the sidewalk, literally right next to a bike lane.
confirmation bias. There's this other thing called motivated reason, and it sounds like that may be what you're engaged in.
Okay, I have a very upsetting question. Because this movie contains a jar of gefilte fish, I don't remember where, but it is in there, Manischewitz wine, and a sign that says
Why? Why are you riding down the sidewalk right through, right through that very tight
Based on their film
restaurant
making
area?
skills alone, I'm going to say no, Eli.
Wait, there's no way.
Oh, and then really all the film and how bullshit, like all of the walls.
The random thoughts of Mel Gibson. I'm thinking about it. So they transitioned from the kid dancing around in underwear, and then it's Marky in his underwear, boxing a locker, like punching a wall a bunch and getting all excited. It just seems like Mel Gibson saying
Why are
things
you biking on the
and they
sidewalk?
made it into the first two scenes of the movie, maybe?
Sure.
I don't know.
Up the wrong
just
way.
let Mel narrate the first three shots of the film.
Employees of the university have to declare their politics before attending university in order to make sure that the university
Where's the bike lane?
represents a diversity of viewpoints.
It's over here.
Declare your fucking political views.
Off the sidewalk, asshole.
I mean, I don't know. It's unfortunate.
Fucking lights on.
Kilometres away here in Belgium, has this as an unofficial home race. It's
Turn
almost an unofficial
your
home race for
lights
Lance Stroll as well.
on.
And his mother, of course, is Belgian. He holds dual Canadian
Turn
and
your
Belgian
motherfucking
citizenship.
lights on.
The other Belgian on the grid, a little further back, 19th place after that 5-place grid penalty from the first lap crash in Hungary. And if you're thinking, why are we having this delay? Just think back to Hungary. The conditions there weren't half as bad as the conditions we're experiencing here at Spa at the moment, and yet still we saw absolute chaos. Charles Leclerc described it as Skittles 10-pin bowling as cars were going.
What are you doing?
We've got another delayed start.
What are you
This
doing?
is going to push back the start.
Valtteri, it's James. Please abort.
Turning anger into motivation and will to.
Some porridge.
You don't know how to drive, clearly. Lights. God, people are idiots. How do people survive? What are we doing? Turn signal. What's a turn signal? Nice turn signal. Who needs those?
12 seconds later.
The closest we get to seeing the granny's face is the camera looks directly at the granny and her eyes in perfect focus.
Nice turn signal.
You know, I still use the power of porridge.
We have all forgotten how to use those. Wow, good job. Whoop. Good job.
Okay. Well, we have a philosophical difference on what constitutes a law.
Just in case, it wasn't serious. But at the same time, she would be like, "Oh, he's the most beautiful boy," but you know, he doesn't pick up his toys, and I'd have to be like, "Hey, mom,
Wow.
let's not help good against the evil eye here."
Good job. Good job, asshole.
You.
Can we go, please? Dude, go. Go. Let's take our sweet fucking time. Now you're gonna try to turn on red. Well, there was a green light there a minute ago that you could have turned in.
I think again is a nice moment to thank my critics, to whom it may concern. Fuck you.
Really?
But even in
You're parked here.
to 2019 period, where she had the potential to be a deciding vote,
You were parked right here.
because you don't want a reasonable person to think your impartiality might be questioned. And just to be clear, it goes on to state, this is in the text, not the commentary.
No,
including but not
you're
limited
right
to
on a
instances
corner.
in which A, the judge has a personal bias or prejudice concerning a party, or personal knowledge of disputed evidentiary facts concerning it. There's a financial or fiduciary interest, that's not important. Or the judge or the judge's spouse or a person related to either is known by the judge to have an interest that could be substantially affected by the
Go. You're right on a corner. I can't see around there. Just move. Go. Thank you. See, look, there's all kinds of space over there. Zero reason to be parked right at a stop sign.
How about that? Yeah! Thank you, guys. Whew.